Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are looking to get creative with their Instagram stories and want to showcase their Spotify music with a cool background, you are in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to add a custom background to your Spotify music Instagram story. It's super easy, so let's get started. First of all, find the Spotify app and open it. Once you are in the app, find the song, album or playlist you want to share on your Instagram story. Once you have found it, tap the three dots next to the track to bring up the sharing options. Next, tap onto the share option right here. Now here you can see the Instagram stories option. Simply select it. Now tap on to open. Now the app will automatically take you to the Instagram stories feed. Here you can edit the Instagram story just like the other stories that you post. You can add stickers, GIFs or effects and can also write the caption that you want. You are happy with how it looks, tap your story at the bottom to share it with your followers. And that's how you add a custom background to your Spotify Instagram story. It's a very easy way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.